Hello, today we will guide you through how to upgrade NotebookLM. To begin, open NotebookLM in your web browser by going to the official NotebookLM website. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the main NotebookLM interface and ready to access your account settings. It helps to give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear correctly before moving on. Next, look to the upper right area of your screen and click the settings icon. This is where NotebookLM typically places account and product-related options, including settings for your current plan. If you do not see it right away, pause for a moment and scan the top right corner carefully, since icons in that area can sometimes be easy to miss depending on your screen size or browser zoom level. After opening the settings menu, click the option to upgrade NotebookLM. This will take you to the upgrade area where you can view the available subscription choices. This section is designed to help you compare what is included with each option. So take a moment to read through it carefully before continuing. From there, choose the plan that best fits your needs. As you review the plans, pay attention to the included features, usage limits, and any differences between tiers. This is an important part of the process because selecting the right plan now can help you avoid needing to change it later. Once you have decided which option works best for you, continue to the purchase page. On the purchase page, enter your payment details and confirm your purchase. Be sure to follow the prompts shown on your own screen, since the exact checkout flow may vary slightly depending on your region, account type, or payment method. Take your time here and double-check the information before submitting, especially if you want to make sure the correct plan and billing terms are selected. Once your subscription is activated, you will have access to the upgraded NotebookLM features and higher usage limits included with your plan. If the upgrade does not appear immediately, try refreshing the page or reopening NotebookLM so your account can fully update. In most cases, access should become available shortly after the purchase is confirmed. That's it. You have now completed the upgrade process for NotebookLM and are ready to start using the additional features available with your new subscription.